In the Yoruba pantheon, Oba is revered as a powerful Orisha, known for her incredible strength, bravery, and unwavering dedication to justice. Her significance extends far beyond the realms of mythology, and her impact on followers is still deeply felt today. When it comes to OBA, there's often more myth than fact, more misconception than understanding. Many of us have heard whispers of her incredible feats, but the truth seems shrouded in mystery. It's easy to get caught up in the sensationalized stories, but I want to dig deeper, to peel back the layers and explore the real Oba. Why? Because when we scratch beneath the surface, we find a complex, multifaceted being with so much more to offer than just superhuman strength. OBA in the Yoruba pantheon is indeed a fascinating and multifaceted Orisha, whose narrative often intertwines with themes of strength, loyalty, sacrifice, and justice. While popularly overshadowed by other Orishas like Shango or Ogun, OBA's story offers profound lessons and insights that resonate deeply with followers who seek truth and balance in their spiritual journey. Unpacking the myth and legacy of Oba. Oba is often remembered in myth as the faithful wife of Shango, the Orisha of thunder and lightning. Her story is intertwined with themes of love and sacrifice, as she is said to have given up a part of herself, a symbolic gesture of her devotion to please Shango, only for it to result in misunderstanding and heartbreak. This narrative is not merely a tale of marital devotion, but a reflection of the complex human emotions of love, betrayal, and reconciliation, offering lessons on self-worth and the dangers of unbalanced sacrifice. OBA's strength and dedication. Beyond the myths, OBA is revered for her unmatched strength and commitment to justice. She is often depicted as a warrior Orisha, a protector of the vulnerable and an upholder of fairness. Her bravery in battle and her steadfastness in standing against wrongs make her an emblem of moral fortitude. Followers often invoke OBA for guidance in situations that require courage, integrity, and a resolute sense of right and wrong. Misconceptions and truths. Over time, OBA's image has sometimes been diminished or misunderstood, especially in diasporic traditions, where her role as Shango's wife often overshadows her individuality as a powerful Orisha in her own right. However, when we delve deeper into her stories, we see a figure who represents the profound balance between strength and vulnerability, action and reflection. She is more than a supporting character. She is a force of nature, embodying qualities that transcend gender or relationship roles. OBA's continued relevance in contemporary practice. OBA serves as an inspiration for those seeking empowerment, justice, and healing. Her energy is called upon in rituals and offerings designed to fortify one's inner strength and resolve, especially in the face of adversity. For many followers, she's a source of guidance in navigating the complexities of relationships, identity, and societal challenges. Oba. Beyond the warrior persona. While Oba is celebrated as a fierce and brave warrior, her essence extends far beyond her role on the battlefield. She embodies resilience in the face of hardship, a quality that resonates deeply with followers who seek strength in challenging times. OBA's warrior spirit is not just about physical might, but also about emotional and spiritual endurance. She teaches that true strength comes from within and is rooted in one's ability to face adversities with grace and determination. A symbol of sacrifice and redemption. One of the most poignant aspects of OBA's story is her act of self-sacrifice in her relationship with Shango. The myth of her cutting off her as a gesture of love and devotion highlights her willingness to give all for those she cherishes. Yet, this sacrifice, misunderstood and unappreciated, also serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of self-preservation and recognizing one's worth. Oba's story is a reminder that while love is powerful, it should never come at the cost of one's identity or well-being. OBA as a protector and advocate. OBA's connection to justice and protection makes her a pivotal figure for those seeking to stand up against oppression or inequality. She is invoked in disputes, battles, and situations where fairness is at stake. Her energy is believed to empower the oppressed, giving them the courage to confront wrongs and the wisdom to seek resolution. This protective quality has made her a beloved Orisha among those who champion the causes of justice and equity in their communities. Her place among the Orishas. OBA's relationship with other Orishas offers insight into her unique position in the Yoruba pantheon. While her connection to Shango often defines her in myths, her relationships with Ogun and Yamuya highlight her multifaceted nature. With Ogun, she shares a kinship in strength and resilience, and with Yamuya, she finds solace and wisdom, embodying the balance of fire and water, action and reflection. These dynamics emphasize that OBA is not a solitary figure, but one deeply intertwined with the broader spiritual ecosystem. Lessons in vulnerability. OBA's story also explores the concept of vulnerability as a source of strength. Her willingness to express love and devotion, even at great personal cost, reflects her openness and emotional courage. This vulnerability, often misunderstood as weakness, is what makes her relatable to many followers. She teaches that acknowledging and embracing one's vulnerabilities can lead to greater self-awareness and personal growth. OBA in ritual and practice. In rituals, OBA is honored with offerings that symbolize her strength and sacrifice. Red palm oil, yams, and other traditional items are given to her to invoke her energy. These rituals are not just acts of worship, but also opportunities for devotees to connect with her essence and seek guidance. For those struggling with self-doubt, betrayal, or the weight of sacrifice, OBA's presence offers reassurance and clarity. Modern interpretations of OBA. In today's world, OBA's story is finding renewed relevance among those seeking empowerment and justice. Her narrative of sacrifice, resilience, and redemption resonates with modern struggles, from personal challenges to societal injustices. Feminist interpretations of OBA celebrate her as a symbol of strength and autonomy, a figure who defies traditional gender roles and asserts her power in a male-dominated world. The timeless appeal of OBA. Ultimately, OBA's story endures because it is profoundly human. It captures the complexities of love, sacrifice, strength, and redemption in a way that speaks to the universal human experience. Whether invoked for protection, justice, or personal empowerment, OBA's energy continues to inspire and guide. Her legacy challenges us to look beyond the myths and embrace her as a source of wisdom and transformation in our own spiritual journeys. To truly understand OBA, we must move beyond the surface-level narratives and explore her as a multidimensional figure who represents both divine power and deeply human experiences. Her legacy challenges us to reflect on our own lives. How do we balance strength with compassion? How do we ensure our sacrifices are meaningful and not self-destructive? In seeking these answers, we connect more deeply with the essence of OBA and her profound teachings. It reminds us that true power lies not only in physical strength, but in the courage to face life's challenges with integrity and wisdom. Her timeless lessons continue to inspire those who honor her, encouraging us to embrace both our vulnerabilities and our strengths as we strive for justice and harmony in the world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into. If you have any personal experiences or thoughts about Santeria, please share them with us in the comments below. Brought to you by Orisha Oasis TV. And if you're interested in exploring more videos on related topics, be sure to check out our channel for a wealth of spiritual and cultural content.